welcome to Oscar William Shoemaker. Today we're presenting you the elephant foot, which is the size 53, which is size 18 UK, size 19 US. This is Norwegian stitch on the side. This is a double sole, which is St. James sole. Have nail decoration on the side, on the toe, and on the side you can see the toe to not toe worn up as very quickly. We have two of these shoes in size 53. We have one black leather and other one we have it on a brown suede, which is customers has ordered the shoes but he didn't take it, he didn't pick it up, so we put them in offer today for you, and two of them on a reasonable price. If you want it any other color, any other combinations, we can make it for you, but we have to order it through us. So if you like it in different colors, you can have it in different colors. So the color combinations is here, and matching credit card holder, and this other combination we have here, and the belt to go with it. Well, thank you for watching today, and we look forward to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe.